So this is in the Luvetti, out by the Rio Grande. So if you look around, kind of see the gorge area right there, the Rio Grande. The headwaters at least goes around there. There's some truck right here. So that looks like one of the harassers. That's one of the people one of the trucks of the harassers right there. So right here is a crime scene, right? There's a, what is that, trailer and a shed. And they look like they're respectable people. It looked like they're digging. Is that a septic tank? So they're digging septic tanks. There's some people that live back there. Digging septic tanks right there. And they got a little satellite dish. I mean, that's a trailer, right? That's not the only trailer around here that's been burnt down. I mean, look, people had like little logs. No trespassing. They didn't want nobody to burn their stuff down. So who are these people? Was this justified? Is this a crime? Is this arson?